Google just made it possible to manage your Google business profile directly through Gemini, meaning you can now update your profile, ask questions about it, and make real changes just by chatting with AI. This is brand new and almost no business owner knows it exists yet. I'm Olaf from MarketlyX, and staying ahead of new Google features and using them before they become common knowledge is exactly what we do for our clients. In this video, I will show you step by step how to connect your Google business profile to Gemini and how to start using it. But before we start, a couple of things worth knowing. This is genuinely a new feature. Google announced it in June 2026 and it's still rolling out. That means two things. First, by the time you are watching this, some of the steps might look slightly different. And second, not every account and country has access to it yet. The rollout is gradual, so if you don't see it today, check back in a few days or a few weeks. There are also a few current limitations Google has been upfront about. Right now, this only works if you manage a single Google business profile. If your account manages multiple profiles, this feature isn't available to you yet. But Google has confirmed that multi-profile support is on the immediate roadmap. What Gemini has given you here is something no other AI tool has been able to offer you until now. An assistant that actually knows your specific business, not a generic chatbot you have to explain yourself to every time. Gemini gets direct access to your profile, your customer reviews, your settings, and performance metrics, and it uses all of this as context. It is no longer just helping you write things, it's actually taking action inside your profile. And the businesses that get set it up right now have a real head start. Let's start with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is open your browser and log into the Google account connected to your Google business profile. Make sure you are logging into a standard Gmail account. At the time of recording, Google Workspace accounts or professional email addresses are not working for this connection. So if you normally use a company email like name@yourbusiness.com, try using the Gmail account that owns or manages the profile instead. Once you are logged in, go to gemini.google.com. Now in the chat, simply type @Google and you will see the Google Business Profile option appear as a suggestion. Click on it, then type connect in the prompt and hit enter. Google will now ask you to confirm the connection. Accept it. And that's it, your profile is now connected to Gemini. From here, you can talk to Gemini the way you would talk to a person who actually manages your Google business profile. Ask it to check your profile completeness, ask it to draft a response to a review, tell it to update your hours. It can make some of those changes directly, and for others, it will guide you through the steps. As you can see, connecting your profile to Gemini takes under a minute, and it opens up a completely new way to manage your profile going forward. If you would like to get more guidance on optimizing or managing your profile, we have included useful resources, tools, and links in the description below. And if you would like expert help, you will find details on how to work with us there as well. Otherwise, check out our Google Business Profile playlist for step-by-step tutorials that walk you through the entire process. See you soon.